If you are unfamiliar with print on demand, it's a printing technology that allows businesses to print products only when ordered. This is in contrast to the traditional printing method, which involves printing products in bulk, even if there's no guarantee that they will sell. In this video, I'm sharing the benefits of print on demand so that you could decide if it's the right printing method for your business. Let's get started. Benefit number one, no need to keep inventory on hand. One of the biggest benefits of print on demand is that businesses don't need to keep inventory on hand. With traditional printing, businesses have to pay to have products printed even if they're not sure that they will sell. With print on demand, businesses you only pay when an order comes in. This means that businesses only order the amount that they need, which reduces storage costs and lowers the risk of products becoming outdated or unsellable. Benefit number two, lower minimum order requirements. Another benefit of print on demand is that businesses can usually place smaller orders. With traditional printing, businesses often have to commit to ordering thousands of units in order to get a good price per unit. And this can be expensive upfront costs for many businesses, especially small business owners or businesses just starting out. Print on demand usually has much lower minimum order requirements, which makes it a more affordable option for businesses. Benefit number three, faster turnaround time. Print on demand also has a shorter turnaround time than traditional printing. And this is because businesses don't have to wait for products to be printed in bulk before they are shipped out. Instead, each product is printed as is ordered. This means that businesses can get their products to their customers quicker, which can be a major advantage. Print on demand has many benefits, including no need to keep inventory on hand, lower minimum order requirements, and faster turnaround time. If you are considering using print on demand for your business, weigh the pros and cons carefully to decide if it's the right fit for you. Have questions? Leave them below, and thanks for watching.